Little brainy buds, come along. Join the waves and sing our song. Splashing colors, ocean bright. Swimming creatures left and right. Learning's fun when we explore. Every day there's something more. Little brainy buds, are you ready? Let's dive deep and keep it steady.
Hi friends! Welcome to Little Brainy Buds. Today, we're diving into the ocean. Are you ready? Let's go! What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a dolphin. Fun fact, dolphins are super smart and talk to each other using clicks and whistles like a secret code. Great job! Next one. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a shark. Fun fact, most sharks don't attack people. They usually eat fish and like to stay far away from humans. Awesome guessing! Let's keep going. What giant animal is this? Bigger than a bus? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a whale! Fun fact, blue whales are the biggest animals on Earth, and their hearts can be as big as a small car. Wow, incredible! Next one. Which animal has 8 arms and loves to hide in rocks? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's an octopus! Fun fact, an octopus can change its color and shape to blend in with rocks and sand like an ocean ninja. So cool! Next one. What animal has a big shell and swims slowly in the sea? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a sea turtle! Fun fact, sea turtles can live for more than 80 years and often swim back to the same beach where they were born. Nice work! Next one. This animal has no bones and looks like a wiggly umbrella in the water. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a jellyfish! Fun fact, some jellyfish can glow in the dark. That glowing is called bioluminescence. Amazing! Next up, which sea animal looks like a star and lives on the ocean floor? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a starfish! Fun fact, if a starfish loses one of its arms, it can grow a brand new one. You're doing great! Next one. What tiny animal looks like a little horse but lives in the ocean? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a seahorse! Fun fact, male seahorses, not the females, carry the babies in a special pouch on their tummy. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a clownfish. Fun fact, clownfish don't get stung by the anemone's tentacles because they have a special slime on their skin. Great guessing! Next one. This fish has a flat body and bright colors and loves to swim around coral reefs. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's an angelfish! Fun fact, angelfish use their bright patterns to recognize each other in busy coral reefs. Nice job. Let's keep going. This fish has long, spiky fins that look like a lion's mane, but it moves very slowly and gently. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a lionfish! Fun fact, lionfish use their big fins to scare away other animals and to herd tiny fish into a corner. You're amazing! Next one. This bright blue fish has a sharp little spine near its tail like a tiny surgeon's knife. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a surgeonfish! Fun fact, surgeonfish often swim in groups and help keep the reef clean by eating algae. Great work! Next one. This colorful fish has a beak like a parrot and bites pieces of coral. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a parrotfish! Fun fact, parrotfish chew up coral and sand comes out the other end, so they actually help make sandy beaches. So interesting! Next one. This black, white, and yellow fish has a long top fin that waves like a ribbon when it swims. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a Moorish idol! Fun fact, Moorish idols are often seen in pairs and love to explore rocky reefs together. You're doing great! Let's keep going. This fish is small and flat with bright patterns that look like a butterfly's wings. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a butterfly fish! Fun fact, some butterfly fish have a fake eye spot on their tail to confuse predators. Nice thinking! Next one. This tiny fish likes to sit on rocks or sand and sometimes cleans bigger fish. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a goby! Fun fact, some gobies share a home with shrimp. The shrimp digs the hole and the goby watches for danger. Awesome job! What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a hermit crab. Fun fact, hermit crabs don't grow their own shells. They borrow empty shells from other sea animals. Great job! Next one. This animal has big claws and walks along the ocean floor. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a lobster! Fun fact, lobsters can live for many decades and sometimes grow bigger than a house cat. Nice guessing! Let's keep going. This small, pinkish animal has lots of legs and is often found in big schools. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a shrimp. Fun fact, shrimp can clean the teeth and gills of bigger fish, like tiny ocean dentists. You're awesome! Next one. This animal has a hard, round shell and a long tail, and it's actually more like a spider than a crab. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a horseshoe crab. Fun fact, Horseshoe crabs have been on Earth for over 400 million years, longer than dinosaurs. Amazing! Next one. This crab is very big and has long legs that stretch out wide. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a giant crab. Fun fact, giant crabs can have legs as long as a grown-up human is tall. Great thinking! Let's keep going. This animal looks like a tiny lobster and often lives in rivers and muddy water. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a crawfish. Fun fact, crawfish dig little mud towers with holes so they can hide and breathe at the same time. Nice job! Next one. It looks like a colorful rock or plant, but it's actually made of tiny living animals. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's coral. Fun fact, coral reefs are called the rainforests of the sea because so many sea animals live there. So cool! Next one. This wiggly sea creature has long, soft tentacles, and clownfish love to hide inside it. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a sea anemone. Fun fact, sea anemones use gentle stings to catch tiny fish, but clownfish are protected by their special slime. You're doing great! What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a pufferfish. Fun fact, pufferfish puff up by filling their tummies with water or air to look big and scary to predators. Great job! Next one. This huge, flat animal looks like it has wings and glides gracefully through the open ocean. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a manta ray. Fun fact, manta rays can leap out of the water and sometimes do flips in the air. Awesome guessing. Let's keep going. This flat sea animal has a long tail and glides over the sandy ocean floor. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a stingray. Fun fact, stingrays like to bury themselves in sand so only their eyes stick out. Nice work! Next one. This ray can make a gentle electric shock to protect itself and find food in dark water. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's an electric ray. Fun fact, electric rays use electricity like a built-in flashlight and shield in the deep sea. You're amazing! Next one. This long, snake-shaped fish likes to hide in holes in the coral and peek out with sharp teeth. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a Murray eel. Fun fact, Murray eels have a second set of jaws inside their throat to help pull food in. So interesting. Let's keep going. This animal looks like a snake but lives almost its whole life in the ocean. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a sea snake. Fun fact, sea snakes have a flat tail like a paddle to help them swim better. Great thinking. Next one. This tiny deep-sea fish has glowing spots on its body that shine like little lights. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a lanternfish. Fun fact, lanternfish swim up to the surface at night to feed and go back down deep during the day. You're doing great. Next one. This deep-sea fish has a little glowing fishing pole on its head to attract food. What animal is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's an anglerfish. Fun fact, the anglerfish's glowing lure is made by special bacteria that can produce light in the dark. Amazing discovery. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a squid. You guessed it right. Fun fact, squids can move by squirting water out of their bodies like a little jet engine. Great job! Next one. This sea animal can change color and patterns on its skin super fast, like a living screen. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a cuttlefish. You got it right. Fun fact, cuttlefish can change their color to match rocks, sand, or coral and hide from predators. Awesome guessing. Let's keep going. This animal looks like a squishy cucumber lying on the ocean floor and helps keep the sand clean. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a sea cucumber. You got it right. Fun fact, sea cucumbers eat sand and tiny bits of food, then push out cleaner sand behind them. Nice work. Next one. This round sea animal is covered in sharp-looking spines and lives on rocks. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a sea urchin. You got it right. Fun fact, sea urchins use tiny tube feet on their bottom to walk and to hold on to rocks. You're amazing. Next one. This animal has a beautiful spiral shell and floats in the deep ocean like a tiny spaceship. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a nautilus. You got it right. Fun fact, nautiluses have many chambers inside their shells that help them float up and down. Great thinking. Let's keep going. This sea animal looks like a flowing plant with leaf-like fins all over its body. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a sea dragon. You guessed it right. Fun fact, sea dragons use their leaf-like fins to blend in with seaweed so predators can't find them. So cool. Next one. This super long ribbon-shaped fish can be longer than a car and lives deep in the ocean. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's an oarfish. You guessed it right. Fun fact, oarfish are some of the longest bony fish in the world and are rarely seen by people. Awesome job. Next one. This bright blue fish with a yellow tail is famous from a cartoon movie and lives on coral reefs. What is it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a blue tang. You guessed it right. Fun fact, blue tangs change color a little when they sleep or feel scared. You're doing great. Wow, you did such a great job today, Ocean Explorer. We learned about so many cool sea animals together. If you had fun playing this 5-second quiz, don't forget to subscribe to Little Brainy Buds for more games, more animals, and more learning adventures. Blue, see you next time. Bye!